Unbelievable. See what DSS did to the foreigners that took pictures of the High Court in Abuja during Nnamdi Kanu'S hearing. The State Security Service has arrested 2 foreigners who are guests at Treasure Suite Hotel opposite the Abuja division of the Federal High Court for taking pictures of the court premises from their hotel balcony. The foreigners, who were white and assumed to be Americans by police officers at the scene, were taken away in a white Toyota Hilux vehicle by SSS agents and police officers. They even entered the hotel and got the manager to show them their CCTV footage to be able to locate one of the men and seized his phone. A police officer told People's Gazette at the scene. A woman who was believed to be the manager of the hotel was spotted outside with the SSS officers pleading with them not to drive the foreigners away from the hotel. Her plea were ignored. Another police officer told the Gazette the Americans may not be tortured, saying they would only be questioned and asked to delete the footage. They will not do anything to them. They will only ask them to write statements and delete the footage they took. The officer said under anonymity to avoid being sanctioned for offering comments to the media. One of the SSS officers at the gate of the court told the Gazette that only a clique of pro-government media outlets will be allowed access to the court today, while the Gazette and other media organizations considered critical by the Buhari's regime would not be allowed. Anything you do, you cannot enter this courtroom today, the officer said. He declined to identify himself. A spokesman for the SSS did not return requests seeking comments about the arrest from the Gazette. A controversial list that circulated on Sunday night contained 10 media outlets purportedly accredited to cover today's proceedings in Mr. Kanu'S trial. The Gazette was not on the list and did not solicit to be included. The Nigerian law allows all media organizations to cover court proceedings. Today has been the adjourned date to hear the case of Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, who was controversially abducted by the Nigerian agents and repatriated to Nigeria from Kenya on June 29th. My dear viewers, Nigerian governments are tensed and they are feeling suspicious. You see, they themselves, they know that they are not safe. They know themselves. You see, now who is now panicking? Who is now panicking? Instead of the IPOP to be the one panicking, it is now the Nigerian government that are panicking. It is not the Nigerian government that are panicking. Is that not a shame? Shame on them. Shame on them. Abubakar Malami knows that the Nigerian government are very much behind when it comes to gathering of facts for this Nnamdi Kanu's trial. See, let me tell you, one of the secrets and the reason why they refuse to produce Nnamdi Kanu to court is because they have not been able to gather up reasonable facts. And mind you, there is something they are planning. So that is why I said that the council to Nnamdi Kanu need to open their eyes well. Need to open their eyes very well, because Nigerian government, I don't trust them, and the security of Nnamdi Kanu is very important too. Because if these people see that they are not meeting up with as expected, my plot is execution. I'm telling you, you cannot trust them. You can't trust them. Oh. You can never trust them. You can never trust them. The Nigerian government, they know what they are doing. They know what they are doing. They know what they are doing. If they want, if they want to do anything, they know how to plan it. They know how to plan it. So don't give them that chance. Don't give them that opportunity. You get it? So what I would just say is this. These people that the white men that has just been arrested, whether they are spies or not, or whether they are agents sent to monitor Nnamdi Kanu's trial or the federal government trial or not, what is going to be is going to be. Whether the federal government try to stop them from gathering informations or not, if these people want to still gather their information, they will still gather it. They will still gather it. We are talking about the whites here. We are talking about the Americans here. You cannot stop the Americans from gathering the information they want to gather. You understand? You can't stop them. You can't. You get it? So the governments are very, very afraid. They are feeling tensed. They are feeling pursued. They feel that Nnamdi Kanu have set up some personalities to monitor them, and they are also feeling that the international organization and also country are now checking on them. Remember that the Americans have sent some monitoring team to carry out a monitor on the trial of Nnamdi Kanu. Remember, so they are still feeling that these are the people that were sent. So anything can, come up from different angle. So that is why you see them feeling so tensed and so, pursued. Well, anything can be possible anyway. That's their problem. That's their problem. All right. Just for the records, Abubakar Malami said something sometime that Nnamdi Kanu that the federal government has added extra charge on Nnamdi Kanu's case. Okay? Did anybody raised any voice as per that? Nobody did. So what's the meaning of this tension then? What's the meaning of that? Okay, let me hear from you from the outside on this very issue that is raising so much tension outside and inside the courts of Nnamdi Kanu's trial. If you're new, don't forget to leave your comments below the comment section. Click on the red subscribe buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.